Hey everyone. Now, this is the third video in our first article. We are going to be trying to clone awesome screenshot and screen recorder. Let's just have a look at what the application does. Okay, it has 24,000. Wow. We can record both screen and camera instant. It has a lot of features. Let's try. We are only focusing on the screenshot aspect of this particular extension. If anyone is interested and want to know how do we screen record videos, just let me know. As usual, we start with Plugthis and take the prompt that has been given in the article. And then what we do is, generally the prompt, it has a lot more features. The prompt is a basic prompt. So I'm going to slightly expand upon it. I've used an LLM to do that. But this feature will be baked into, it's partially there in Plugthis as a plan feature. But as of now, I'm going to use the prompt that I have custom built for this. So it's a very detailed prompt. Let's go and start. So let's just wait. This entire thing, we are only trying to replicate the core features of the application. If you would need any other features that you're interested in, for example, from Awesome Screenshot Pro, just leave a comment and I will have it built in the future videos. Please implement the entire, please build the entire extension. So I'm going to hit enter. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to pause the video till the AI finishes building the extension. I will unpause it later. The extension is currently built. So what are we going to do is I'm going to download it and then I'm going to upload it to our extensions tab. Let's just do that. I have selected the extension and I have now downloaded it to my local storage. I'm going to be uploading it to Chrome::extensions. I'm going to be turned on in the developer mode. Let me just confirm. Yes, all the extensions are being downloaded. I'm going to upload it over. You can see the extension is there. So I'm going to go pin it. Let me come to cnn.com. Let me just refresh it once so that the extension has access to this latest page. So I'm going to select. I'm going to hit capture visible area. Let's see what has happened. Now I have the entire visible area. So I'm going to select this color and I have added it. So you can see some basic annotations are being done. So I can save this and fill. I'll select another color. Yeah, I'm going to download it as PNG. Yes, it's done. So let me try to upload it using, view it using Google Chrome. Automatically the highlights are done. So when I click on it, you can see all the recent captures. Let me try to capture a selected region, for example. I think there is a bug over there, but then let me try to capture full page. Let's see what happens. I'm quite happy. If you notice, it's been only a few minutes. We have a working extension. And if you have any challenges, say for example, the selected area is not working, etc., all you have to do is just go to Plugthis and just, send a message saying that, hey, this thing is not working and it should be resolved. Stitching takes time, so not to worry about it. I'll just pause the video for a bit. I think the app is now stuck in stitching mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go to chat. I'm going to say it. When I do capture full page, the extension is stuck here. Please fix this. So I think Plugthis should be able to fix this. So I'm going to pause the video and wait. I've gotten the message that the issue is fixed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just update the extension so the build gets updated in our local folder. So let's just wait for it. It should be done any time now. So it's done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here. I'm going to just refresh this. Don't worry about the errors. We can just clear them for the time being. And come here. I'm going to refresh the page again so that the new extension which has been loaded has access to this particular page. So I'm going to come here. We're going to do capture full page again. Let's see what happens. I think this time it should get fixed. Let's just wait for stitching. I'm going to pause the video. Let me give it like 5-10 seconds for it to solve. If not, I'll come back to it with another option. I will prompt the AI again for resolution. I think the error is still there. I'm going to go and prompt it again. The error is still there. Can you please fix? And when you fix it, verify that the fix actually works. Iterate till you are 100% sure. Let's just try. I'm going to pause the video. Again, apparently it says it's fixed it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to again just update the extension in our local folder. I let it just finish. And I'm going to come here and I'm going to refresh the extension. You can ignore the errors for time being. Go back, just refresh it again. And now I'm refresh this page so that the extension has access to this particular page. This is clear. So I'm going to go and the issue we were having was with capturing full page. Let's see what happens. It says stitching started and voila, it's solved. You can see we have the full page here and that's it. So the lesson is this, right? All you need is take any extension you want and then prompt it. And then if you find across any bugs, just report it back to the AI and that's it. So this concludes the third video in our series of first article that we're writing. So thanks for watching. Any comments, please leave below. Signing out.